Another meaning of Kabbalah means to accept. And this is one of the huge lessons that Kabbalah is giving us, to teach us to accept the reality as is. Because when things happening, this is the reality. And the reality is a result of all the reasons that caused it to be the way that it is, which means it's the accumulation of actions and the energy that we invested in those actions till we came to this moment. And also it's the accumulation of actions of mankind and bring us to the situations that we are experiencing in life, not just as individuals, as a whole, as well, which means it's speaking about acceptance. One of the things that it's hard for us to do, because many times we're saying it's not fair, why it's happening to me, why this is happening in the world, why the bad people are successful, seems to be sometimes, and very good people, righteous people are suffering, and so on. So Kabbalah deals with these questions, and it brings us the knowledge to be able to get closer to the point in which we are able to accept life as is. Doesn't mean that we won't strive to better them, but it means that we'll be able to accept it, and this is one of the major lessons of life.